radar.
There's a cloud. Look at that, peeking over the hill. Peekaboo. What's that? Thunderstorm down there. Wow. Okay, do me a favor. Grab your phone, will you please? Grab your phone. I know it's, look, it's right there by you. Okay, you left it on the counter. Okay, go grab it. Get the camera, and get the camera pointed at the screen right now. There you go. I'm going to give you about 15 seconds to do that. What is that? It's going to get you the Storm Tracker 13 app. So you just touch the little thing. There's two on there. You can do the news app, but definitely get the Storm Tracker app. You can do either. It's fine. And then when you install it on your phone, it does it, all the phones. Say yes to locations, say yes to notifications, and you get in the app. There's a part that says storm alerts. Just say yes to all of them. That way, the minute a warning is issued for wherever you are, you'll get that warning. And tomorrow we want you to have that. It's just one way, because you should have this, your TV or your radio. If you have a NOAA weather radio, that's great. The internet, these are all great sources, but you have to have multiple sources to get warnings on a day like tomorrow, because we think it's going to be cruising through pretty quickly. Right now, that thunderstorm that we saw that was peeking over the hill right there, look at that. It was like, okay, well, we're down here in southern Kentucky and looking back over into Virginia and southernmost West Virginia. A few little cells back here too. And then we got the air quality alert that snuck in here very late in the day. Air quality is actually a little worse across Ohio, and then it just kind of works its way on over toward the Kanawha Valley. So yeah, we're getting close to the unhealthy mark, and they just put out the air quality alert. That is just basically, hey, take it easy, stay indoors if you're sensitive to it until at least midnight tonight. 88 Huntington, 86 Charleston right now, and the heat index, it's up there. Feels like we're in the 90s. All right, so what about the storms tomorrow? Well, they're going to get cooking in here from the north. Right now, it's not too jazzy. This is going to likely stay over here to the west and then re-energize coming down. See, there's another tornado watch out here in Iowa. So it's that northwest flow. You get those complexes. You get these squall lines. I think we'll see something that looks like that. It's been pouring down here by Charlotte, too, by the way. This is great news. Look at this, friends. Let's go up here to where all those fires are. Look at that. Boy, we've been needing to see rain up there, so that's good. That's fantastic, actually. Then let me take you to the south. We see it, Tropical Depression number 2. It'll likely get the letter B, but it's going west. So here's Florida. This thing is swirling around like this. It's going to go back along the coast, back toward Texas, just so you know that we see it. We're with you. We understand. We're kind of watching that with you, too. If that gets upgraded, we'll let you know. In the meantime, let's get into predicted for tomorrow. Well, tonight we see the storms up here, and then they fizzle. Guess what? They form again. I'll say this. Our model is the fastest of the models. Other models, even though this says 9 in the morning, you know, I would say let's leave a 3-hour window. Maybe that's closer to noon. We're just going to have to kind of wait and see. These are models. They give us a great idea. They give us great guidance, but timing can be a little bit different. But this would be like, hey, noon squall line. Whoa, that would be impressive. And that's just about all of us getting a piece of that energy right there. But that could be as late as, 4 or 5 o'clock coming through some of the areas. So at any time from about 10 in the morning onward, we need to just be ready for anything that's coming at us. And I'll show you again that once that goes through, it's going to be great. I mean, maybe a teeny little shower on Wednesday, not a big deal. The rest of the week looks very, very nice. And in terms of what's coming, here's just your general risk, category 3 out of 5 for a severe storm. What is the number one risk? It is wind. And there's a good 45 up to 60% chance of damaging wind here. And that would be over 58 miles per hour. The brown zone, 5 to 9% chance that if you're standing in the brown zone within 25 miles of you, there might be a tornado report. Okay, so that's pretty stout for us. It's not the biggest, but it's still stout. Hail risk is up there at 15 to 30% chance. And then rainfall. This could be up to 2 inches of rain, especially in the coal fields. When the thing comes south, it's going to mean a little bit of resistance from the south, and that'll slow it down. 72 degrees for tonight. You know that isolated shower that we showed you? That's what I'm talking about. Not a big deal. Tomorrow, game on. Severe storms. 87 degrees. We're going to be here. Reagan will be here. I'll be here. Bradley will be here. 80 degrees on Wednesday. Then it stays cool. Woo, it's nice. Another front comes through maybe late Sunday into Monday. We'll keep our eyes on that for you. But be ready for tomorrow. Severe storms are definitely on the table.